Hey guys, even had this, you say 北京. People hear 北京. You say 新衣服,新衣服. People hear 新衣服. You say 胖,胖. They hear 胖. Total confusion. But what if you could fix this for free with personalized help? Instead of practicing with a teacher, we can use AI tools like Doubao to work on our pronunciation at home. Let's open Doubao on the phone and try it out. I send the prompt to Doubao. Now watch Doubao's reply. First, is empathetic, is totally okay. You didn't speak Mandarin as a kid. We can fix this step by step. Then it point out exact mistake. I mix up front nasal in and back nasal ying. It even tells me how to fix it. For in, tongue forward, nose front vibrates. For in, tongue back, nose back vibrates. And the trick, touch your nose while you speak front for in, back and ying. Let's practice together. In, in, 因为影响，因为影响。Once I get this song right, I ask Doubao for practicing material. HSK 4 to 5 level, daily travel use. Look what it gives me. Song pairs. 阴、英、彬、兵、平、平、新、兴. Yeah, this is the characters. And then we can see the words. For in, the common words. 原因、中心、关心、风景。And for Ying, 北京、星星、干净. After that is the simple sentences for travel or daily life. 因为天气好，我很开心。北京的风景很美。这里很干净。You can use this method to practice when you are reading your HSK text too. So, what do you think? Have you tried Doubao for pronunciation practice? Drop your experience in the comments below. I'm reading everyone.